Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're gonna see step by step tutorial to make $1,000. Stay tuned for more. And in this video we're gonna use some concept guys, that's it's print on demand guys. You probably heard of or not. This is the basically you can make tons of money with the print on demand guys. There is lots of way in print on demand, but I show some little way you can make $1,000 or even more than money, you even more than money guys. I show the trick. The first website we're gonna use to make $1,000, this bonfire guys. It's similar to Teespring, but it's lots newer to spring guys, because it's not all people know about this website guys. So I gonna use this website to make $1,000 guys. Come on to bonfire.com. This is similar to Teespring. You can register and get started guys, and I show how you can register and print on and design your t-shirt, and I show design the t-shirt and how you can design the t-shirt easily, and how you can sell the t-shirt, and how the marketing process, all the process I show in this video guys. So watch till end guys. Before I show anything, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, like, share, and feel free to comment below guys. Any doubt about this video and any aspect you don't understand, please feel free to comment below guys, and always I reply to your comment guys. Without any further ado guys, this is the website, like I said, bonfire guys. And come on to the website just to sign up process guys. Just right over this corner the sign up button here guys, but I already sign up, so it show my name guys. Just come on to this website, click my dashboard guys, or you click get started guys. Just something like that guys. Just click get started. I already one t-shirt, that's I don't matter that guys. Just click start new guys. This is a fresh design, you can start now and get design guys. This is easy simple stuff guys, but I show how you can easily design and how you can get some good idea from online and take other people's work without any copyrighted issue guys. So watch till end, I show how it's work, and I also design some good t-shirt for you guys. To you can easily copy this t-shirt or you can replicate this t-shirt to make $1,000 right now guys. And I show all the aspects you can make some create some good amount of money guys. And this is look like just a big product. If you want to add text, click add text and graphics. And if you want to upload art on upload art, and click, and I recommend to click add product guys, and just to add hoodie guys, because hoodie is high profit margin, so you can make even more than $1,000 guys. Just to select hoodie guys. I highly recommend select hoodie guys, because hoodie is, like I said, high margin guys. Just to select hoodie, click save product guys. Simple as you think. Just to select hoodie and select t-shirt guys, the two product. And if you want to add color, click this one guys, and add whatever you color want you do guys. I just add white for this process guys. Just like add to process white to the hoodie guys, and the simple thing. And like I said, the second process is creating a design guys. And if you want any inspiration from internet, but you don't need to any copyrighted issues, I show the little trick. You can get some pictures without any copyrighted issue guys, and I also get the image without any copyrighted issue, and I upload my artwork to simple kind of photoshopping. I show this is not any complicated thing guys. Just it is simple thing you can do too guys. It's simple thing. If I can do it, you can do it guys. This is simple thing. Just go to this google.com. Just a simple whatever you want to do guys. I just simple search alien meme pic guys, and come on to this tools and create labeled for reuse guys. What that means is, if any pictures come around this tools, is all available for reuse guys. This is picture I took guys. This is some alien picture I took for this example guys. This is free to use, you can use anywhere. There is no copyrighted issue for you. You free to go guys. Just like you can search anything guys. If you want search travel, search travel guys. Easy guys. Just search travel and come out to the settings, sorry, tools. Just labeled for reuse guys. Just a simple, this all the pictures are reuse for you guys. It's available free, you can reuse anywhere from in the internet guys. It's easy. Just, and also I created some text guys. I show this is the picture I created in Photoshop guys. This is simple. Just to put the picture in Photoshop and click background eraser guys. This is not any Photoshop tutorial guys, just click background eraser guys. This is simple as you think, and I just create some like a text guys, just like a source, something like a meme guys. I told you how, sorry, I show you how I can create this source, just a simple thing. And what I can do with this source guys, I show what's to learn for that guys. This is a step-by-step tutorial. You can make $1,000 right now guys. And this is the simple two thing I created for my t-shirt design or hoodie design, whatever it may be. Just simple two thing guys. Just go to this Chrome dot. This is the our process guys. I'll leave it before. Just I already created one for you guys, and this is the look like guys. This is the t-shirt look like, and I already show the photoshopping the source and the alien thing guys. Just easy guys. Just I put the source and the text right here guys, and I also put some images in back guys. You always put image in back guys. That's only people's are buying willing to buy your product guys. This is simple thing. And I also market strategy guys. What's to learn for the marketing strategy. You can easily market and make $1,000 over and over again guys. But in this process you need some amount of money to invest in front guys. There is no free way to make $1,000 in front right now guys. It's not any other like YouTuber says you can make millions of dollars with zero money. It's not like any that guys. You can make big money. You can invest some small amount of money guys, or you can start from zero just watching my videos guys. That's I already explained how you can make $0 with scratch guys. Go watch those video and get some capital and invest this video guys, and watch till end. I show little marketing trick. You can make $1,000 like I said guys. And this is the product I created guys. Simple product, just a simple image and simple text guys. I created that text within minute guys. Just you can do it guys. Just created. And if you want to upload art, just click upload art guys. Just to choose a file, whatever it may, choose a file. I choose some my file guys. Just to click this one guys, open and click this one guys. By uploading an image, I agree, I hold a right guys. This is some like a hold guys. If you had a copyrighted or not, this company used to know guys if you had a copyrighted images or not guys. Just click, like I said, you already get uncopyrighted image guys, because I show little trick. You can easily get uncopyrighted image for your business or for your design guys. Just click upload, so automatically take you to the upload process guys. Just as simple as you think. Just click upload button, just automatically upload. This is the process look like guys. I kindly remove the background from this software. Just click use this image, so automatically remove the background, adjust the height, whatever it may be. And this is a simple trick guys. Did you see the white bar around the t-shirt guys? This is the printable area. There you can only print guys. Beside that area, this is not any printer area guys. Just to put the image in between the printer area guys. Just to put the image in between. I think you may see or not guys. I show how it's work guys. Just wait, just add some color. I show the little trick guys. Did you see guys? This is the white bar. There only you can upload your image and paste it right over guys. Beside that, there is not any printable area guys. If you put a image on right bottom, there is no print available guys. So put a image on this area guys, and I told area, just click. This is the image. I don't waste your time. Just click next guys. So automatically take you to this next process, and this asks you if you want to buy or sell. In the process you want to sell, just click start selling guys. So automatically take you to this next page. Just this page I like you guys. This is the process page guys. And how many shirts are you planning to sell guys? And this is the estimated profit you want to make. Come out this, and you can just add or remove any prices if you want guys, but I recommend just to leave it as it is guys, because this is the recommended prices and this is also universal price for you. You can make some just amount money guys. I just put 140 guys. This is the $1,000 profit. As I told earlier, you can make $1,000 right now guys. And watch till end. I show the marketing method. This is the easiest method. You can make $1,000 with some amount, limit amount money guys. And click next. It's automatically take you to this next page guys. That's the settings page. Just click next. And if you want standard or fundraise guys, click standard. Fundraise is something like goal achieve, like a Mr. Beast tree, something like that guys. Just click standard and just click whatever niche you have. Just create art and illustration guys, and click next. Simple process guys. Just click next and it's automatically last page guys. This is how it's look like guys. Just add a little text guys. I already had a text guys. This is the text look like guys. Just a t-shirt for this guys. Just copy this and paste over here guys. This is easy guys. Okay guys, and this is the describe your description guys about your t-shirt. I already also write this guys. Just copy this and paste over here guys. I highly recommend it. Put the description long as much as you can guys, then only people start buying from you guys. So put the images or put the emoji on your description guys. For the sake of video, I just put some little description for this image guys, for this t-shirt guys. So just put it guys. Just click if you want add any campaign text or something like that guys, and click launch guys. So automatically launch your product guys. And this is the URL for you guys. Just click copy or edit if you want. Just click copy guys. Copy the URL, click I agree, confirm and launch guys. It's easily launch between 12th February and 24th February guys. You can easily promote the product and make some good amount of money guys. This is the link. Just a copy URL guys. This is the website link where you can promote, or you can leave it as it is guys. Just click. And the third process, as I told you earlier, the marketing process guys. This is a simple process. You don't need any complicated issue guys. You don't think any complicated. This is simple process in the process guys. You can just like go to Instagram guys. Okay guys, we gonna use Instagram marketing strategy guys. This is the lot cheaper and lot faster you can make guys, and you can easily recognize guys. This is like a meme image guys, so I can use meme page to promote the product guys. And I already recommended how to you find the meme pages for you guys. Just to go to search and search like a meme guys. Click a meme, it comes some hashtag with a meme guys. Just to click and find some niche page for your t-shirt guys. It's in this video I just choose meme guys because there is lots of follower with cheap prices. You can do whatever niche you want to do guys. For example, travel or pet niche, there is also big niche guys. Or beauty, there is lots of option you can choose from guys. For the sake of video, I just choose meme guys. Just to come out to this website, just to found some little peoples or big people. If you have a lots of money, you just go big pages. If you had a small amount of money, you can go small pages guys. Already found some pages. This is the pages guys. This is the similar pages. It's not like any big pages, it's not like any small pages guys. It's in between. This is like a medium page guys. These pages charge around like a $100 $200, something like this guys. If you put $100, you can make lot more that guys. You can make $1,000 or even more that guys. This is a simple page. First you need to come out this page. First you look their engagement guys, and 10 hours ago there are almost 11,000 like guys. This is good guys. And I also found another page, another big pages guys. It's almost 1.7 million. That is similar to meme pages guys. And this is 33k. This is small page guys, just literally small page. That these people are charging like $20 or $50 like that guys. If you had less amount of money, come out to this page like these pages and message them, ask some promo post and give some money and get some money, guys. This is simple thing. And if you want how to create the post like this, guys, this is the main thing, guys. This is the step 4 process, creating an ad, guys, for the meme page. This is simple process, guys. If you all the seen, guys, just this is like a Twitter post, guys. Easily you can create a Twitter post, guys. Just to come out to this page, just to type Twitter, guys. It's easy, guys. Just to type Twitter and go to the Twitter, guys. Just to tweet some about your Twitter, guys. Just I already open a Twitter account, guys. Wait for a second. And you can easily come out to this Twitter and easily post your Twitter, guys. Everybody knows how to tweet. Just to tweet and just a little bit about funny, guys. If you need any inspiration, come out to the any meme pages just to find any inspiration from there, guys. Easily just create any meme like with tweet, guys, because lots of meme ads come like a tweet, guys. If you see, guys, this is like a tweet on Twitter, guys. Just a photo in between below the text. Simple process, just to create a text below the image, guys. Sorry, with text above the image, guys. And come out to this Instagram. This is the crucial part, guys. And just to find really good engagement page, guys, just to see how's the engagement look like. This is the new post, guys. Just 21 minutes ago, 1000 like, guys. This is the good engagement page, guys. I leave all the page links in below, guys. You can easily click the page link and go and get some promo post and make some $1000 right now, guys. And this is the video for you, guys. This is took long video, guys, so I think you appreciate me for this video, guys. I work a lot to make you process to make you $1000 for you, guys. Just if you appreciate my work, guys, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below, guys. Feel free comment below, guys. If you had any doubt about this video or any aspect or any method you can easily to make money, just ask below, guys. I always recommended to ask comment below, guys. I always reply for the comment, guys. So I hope this video helps you a lot to make $1000, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Make money online. I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Peace.